Hello, we are Team 18 and our group consists of Wei Hao, Junyu, Terence, Reynard, Ming Wei and Belle. We'll be demonstrating the client-server chat application developed by us using Python socket programming. In an event that the client.py starts before the server.py, it will prompt an error stating that the server is not up, letting the user know that there is an error with the server. As the server starts, it will generate a unique encryption key, ensuring all user messages remain secure during transmission. Messages are encrypted before being sent and decrypted when received, preventing unauthorized access. Our system prevents duplicate usernames, ensuring unique user identification. The check is case insensitive, so John with a capital letter J and John with a small letter j are treated as the same user. The system will continue to loop an error message telling them to enter a new username until a new user is inputted. Broadcast messages are sent to all connected users. As seen, John's and Peter's messages appear across all clients. As you can see, the add names command retrieves a list of all connected users. Private messaging by entering command add with username and message will allow users to send direct messages. Here you can see that John sends a private message to Stella and only Stella receives it. In an event where the user tries to send a private message to themselves, it will prompt an error stating that they cannot send messages to themselves. Now we'll be showing the group management features. John will create a group named Group 1 with Peter. We had included an additional feature that when a group invite is sent, users that were invited can either choose to accept or reject the invitation. Those that rejected the group invitation will not receive any group messages or alerts sent. When group owner tries to invite a member who is already in the group, a message saying no new members to add will be shown since the member is already in the group. Group chat messages are visible to all group members. Here, Peter will send a message and then leave the group. Group owners can add multiple users at once. Here, John adds Peter and Stella and the add group members command shows the owner and members. Group owners do not need to put their name in the invitation as the system automatically adds the owners to the group. Members are also able to view the entire group member list. We also created an additional feature providing them with a permission. Owner and admins are able to promote any non-role to admin role, which will then be broadcasted to the entire group. However, when a non-role tries to promote an admin, it will show an error to the user. Here, Peter, who is an admin, is able to promote Stella, a non-role, to admin. With the add group members command, we can see all members and their roles. When a user has been demoted, it will be broadcasted that the user has been demoted by another person. Here, Stella, who is an admin, is able to demote Peter, who is also an admin. However, when someone of a lower role tries to demote a higher role, it will show an error to the user stating that they cannot be demoted. Here, John, who is the group owner, is able to demote every member in the group. When the user does not have a role, an error message will be shown. Both group owner and admin is able to delete the group, but non-role is not able to. When a non-role tries to delete the group, it will show an error that they do not have permission to delete group. Here, John, who is the owner, is able to delete the group. Users can leave chat with @quit, updating the server logs accordingly. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching.